So, as long as you don't ask me question, I'm fine. So, because I'm not a health specialist. So, this is basically to show you that on a feature phone, a multimedia kind of application can be made and given to the last mile to the frontline workers in terms of collecting the data. So the screen that you see is the screen that comes on this phone. So we have just copied it so that you can see it in big picture. And many of you may not be able to read Hindi, I guess, but maybe Alka can tell what all these heads are. Basically, Garbhati Mahila ka Panjikaran, that means registration of a pregnant woman. गर्भ अवस्था के दौरान, during the pregnancy, the second line. The third line is प्रसव के दौरान, that is during the delivery. And the fourth is प्रसव के बाद, post delivery. Then case बंद करें, that means once the case is closed, and then what happens. परिवार नियोजन, family planning. नहीं भेजेगा data, which is, if you have not been able to send the data, this is more management oriented, so this is more for the people who are collecting the data. The Panjikaran Mahila ka naam, the name of the lady whose name is being registered, and then close it. And so what you see is here that if you cannot read, that means you can see the picture and you can recognize what question is being asked. And if you still can't know, then there is a voice also. Okay, so that's the I wanted to just make you listen just at least one voice. So she's asking, what is the registration number of the lady? Okay.
इस महिला को गर्भावस्था की अवधि क्या है?
नहीं आ रही आवाज.
क्या आपने अपनी गर्भावस्था का पंजीकरण ANM अथवा स्थानीय स्वास्थ्य केंद्र में किए हैं? पंजीकरण के समय गर्भावस्था की अवधि क्या थी?
So these are all the questions being asked, and then I am replying either by clicking 1, 2, whatever number, yes for 1, no for 0. So these kind of things are happening, and these are all the basically screen that you are seeing. So it has got picture, it has got voice, and it has got minimal number that you are going to use, either 0 or 1, yes or no, and things like that. These picture quality can be improved. The same language can be converted into Tamil, Telugu, any language, because all across our country, I think the last mile health system is the same. Okay, so area also where you are, आपके mobile का number का, what's the number of your mobile, what's the name of your block, what's the name of your village, what's the name of your panchayat. So this is entire registration that is going on. Which trimester are you in, the first trimester, the second trimester, the third trimester, what is your age, and then of course, once you complete this, the whole data comes in front of you. You can see also what is the data that has gone into the system. And by the way, even if I am not internet connected, I can still collect the data. It can be here, and as soon as I have the connectivity, I click one button, it gets uploaded on the server. So it can get matched with other data. So there is a registration data, there is ANC data, there is INC data, there is PNC data. All these 4 data, as you can see on the left hand side below screen. And it also shows on the right hand side how many total records you have got, how many are on server, and how many are waiting to be uploaded. That is also there. So the person who is collecting the data knows about it. So these are some of the submitted data, and then you go to Garbhavastha ke dauran, during the pregnancy questionnaires. So what is the number? Since you are already registered, you just have to put the number. And and then there are various questions like क्या आपने अपनी गर्भावस्था के पंजीकरण ANM अथवा स्थानीय स्वास्थ्य केंद्र में किया था? Have you got yourself registered into a local ANM center or not? So yes or no, you can just say yes or no. So similarly, there are hundreds of questions. Yesterday night I was trying all this, and then it was a long one. It's really a long one. So all these, have you taken the folic, right? The iron medicine, how many have you taken? All those things. So did you know about it? What is the advantage of taking the iron tablets? Do you know about it, or you're just taking it? So all those questions are there. The weight related questionnaire is there. The checking related questionnaire is there. So on. So this is just example. It goes on and on. As you can see, we just took the photo and started to show. And this is one completed. Then you get into the प्रसव के दौरान during the delivery. Then again, these are various questions related to child, weight. Then again go to post delivery. Then how to take care of the baby, and so on and so forth. The questionnaire related to baby. And all is audio visual. So visual is not video, but visual is picture, and audio, of course, as you heard earlier. So yeah, it continues, and then there are case band karne ka kise related close record list. So then you can go into this nahi bheje gaye data. So you can also check what is the status of all the data. This is more from the management perspective. So we are already started developing this on Android. Since it's a data collection, you don't need that each and every woman need to have it. It's a collector thing. So collector is always the smaller number than the data being collected for. So there is always a possibility that one block health center, if you give 4 Android tablets or something like that, or 3 or whatever, it can be the data can be collected across weeks and months and all that. So we are converting this entire thing into more beautification of the images and audio, video. Video is possible in Android much better way, and of course, it will be visually much more appealing and attractive. So that's what we have already started working on. But this is being used at the moment, piloted in Devghar. Devghar is a district in Jharkhand, where there is an organization called NEEDS who is doing it. They had about 1 year back, they had asked us to help out with development of this. So this we have been, but the content, the guidance, the flow, the audio and video, the images, all these have been developed by NEEDS itself. We have only been able to help in developing this. But our learning has been, like I said to you, you have to tell us what is to be developed. That is the most important thing. So in this case, since they are on the ground, they told us how to go with the flow of the data. Thank you.